to the Sharkie
and the Silver Show!
Me, Sharkie.
And me, Silver!
Today, we're going to learn about shark sizes.
Ooh! I got a question! What is the largest shark in the world?
Oh, that's easy. It's a whale shark.
A whale? A whale is the largest shark in the world? So, a whale is a shark?
No. Whales are mammals. Sharks are fish. Silver, didn't we learn that sharks are fish in our last show?
Yes. I know. I'm a fish. A very special fish. But you say whale shark. I'm confused.
A whale shark is actually a shark. The name whale shark comes from the fish physiology being as large as many whales and also a filter feeder like many whale species.
And that makes a whale shark also the largest fish in the world.
Yes, that's right. Very good, Silver.
So, how do you tell the difference between a whale and a whale shark? By just looking at them. They are both so gigantic!
Yes, you're right. That's actually quite easy. First, because sharks are fish, they breathe through our gills. In the water, like any other fish do. Whales, because they are mammals, they breathe air through their blowholes located at the top of their heads.
They have holes on top of their head? That's funny!
Silver, don't be rude.
Sorry.
Well, the next method is to look at the tail. Whales have horizontal tail fins while sharks have vertical tail fins.
Horizontal tail fin? But
what, Silver?
There is this girl shark that I really like, and she has a horizontal tail fin. Does that mean I like a girl whale?
What? How can you not know?
You only told me about the fin thing today. Oh, great. Now I have to go and check if she really has a blowhole. I can't like a whale.
Oh dear. I don't know what you're gonna do with that. But, well, that's all for today. Until next time, love our ocean.
And love us sharks. Bye. Sharkie, what is the smallest shark in the world? So, what whale is a shark?
No, wrong. Tell me what whale is a shark.
So, what whale is a shark?
Dear! What's wrong with you? So, just read it, dear. Just read. Where got what there? So many times, really. Goodness. Okay,
Sorry.